Hey friends, Howie here, back again with another video on LiveGood and the products. And what I wanted to do was show you my new order. Like I just got a brand new order. I have some new products that I have not ordered yet. I'm excited about getting this. So without making this a long video, I'm going to get right into opening up this box. But I just want to show you real quick, which way should I go? I'll go this way. I have a ton of products in the background. And the reason why I put those back there, I want to show you that I'm a product of the product. I don't just say, hey, LiveGood's awesome without trying the products. And you see I order some of the products multiple times. I love the super greens, the super reds, the coffee. I have way more canisters that are empty that I've thrown out, but I keep some of them just so I can show you that I am a product of the product. So with that being said, let me go ahead and show you my new order. So I have two of the new products that just came out from LiveGood, and I want to show you basically what you get, what you can expect, and I'm also going to show you the pricing breakdown of what I bought, how I saved money, and then also too, a little bit about the products that I bought. So let me go ahead and cut the box open here. As you've seen in some of my other videos, I promise I won't cut myself because I know some people are prone to passing out, when they see blood. Plus, I don't want to, cut myself anyway. So, all right, let's go ahead and see here. So I just got the magnesium again. I've had this before. I'm going to go ahead and pull out some of the other stuff. I've had the D3K2. I buy this all the time as well. And then also two of my new products that I have not tried yet is I haven't tried the Collagen. So I'm excited to try that out. And then also I got the new Methylene Blue. So I didn't know much about this product, so I did a little research. Let me go ahead and minimize my screen to go ahead and show you what I found on that. And you can do your own due diligence, but I was like, I had no idea what it was. Let me go ahead and scroll down here on the shop page. So you have Methylene Blue here. Let's click Learn More. And you see what Methylene Blue is. Dissolving strips. Our brains are the single most important organ in our body. Even if everything else works perfectly, without healthy brain function, everything like that. So basically it's for enhancement for brain function is what I learned. Let me go ahead and go over here. So I typed in what is Methylene Blue nootropic. As you see, Methylene Blue is a synthetic compound that is used as a nootropic to improve memory, mood, energy. It works by enhancing mitochondrial function and respiration in the brain. I'm not going to read everything there. So I was like, you know what, let me try this out. This sounds pretty good. Let's see the difference in pricing with what's out there. So you have Methylene Blue from LiveGood for $12.95. And then you have $27 from this competitor and $30 from this competitor. So again, you're saving money as a wholesale member. If you're somebody who's watching this video, you haven't seen any of my other videos and wondering what is LiveGood. LiveGood is a wholesale membership that you can also have a business as well. You can build the business side of it, or you can just be a wholesale member and buy, products like this, get the wholesale pricing, instead of paying retail, which is $20. So instead of $20, you're going to pay $12.95. Let me go ahead and go to the other product, the Collagen, and show you a little bit about the Collagen. So let me go ahead and click on Learn More. Collagen Peptides. Let's scroll down to the pricing comparison here. So $27.95 as a wholesale member, as opposed to $70 for this product, Organifi, and then $80 for this product, Green Compass. I've heard of Organifi. I've never heard of Green Compass. But again, I haven't done any collagen. I know that collagen is good for your body, and I need to read a little bit more about that. But I'm excited to kind of take a look at, what the collagen is, how it helps your body. I'm big on reading labels, and I like to put good stuff in my body. If you watch my other videos, you know that I'm very conscious about that. And the products were the reason why I joined LiveGood in the first place. So you see, as a wholesale member, I'm getting it for $27.95, and you will as well, instead of $40. So for $9.95 a month, like you pay for your Costco or Sam's Club membership, obviously the pricing is different. It's going to give you access to anytime you buy the products. Instead of paying the $40, you're going to get the wholesale member price for that. So let me go ahead and go over to my order form here and just show you. So there's my order here. Here's my order, $66.97. I got the D3K2, the Ultra Magnesium Complex, the Collagen Peptides, and then the Methylene Blue Nootropic, plus shipping and handling, $8.62, for a total of $66.97. As you see, with all those products together, I'm only spending $66.97, and that includes that shipping and handling. A lot of people that I've seen out there, not a lot, there are a few videos out there to say, well, it doesn't make sense with the shipping and handling. I can just go down to the corner store and get the same thing for less pricing because you still have to pay shipping and handling. Well, as you see with all those products together and the shipping and handling, I'm saving way more money. Let's just go to one product. So let's just go to the collagen. So we have $27.95, and my total for all these products is $66.97. Let's go back to the collagen, and as you see here, one product, similar to our collagen peptides, is $70 right there. So I'm already saving a ton of money. So with that being said, if you're interested in becoming a wholesale member with LiveGood, I'm going to put a link in the description below this video. Go ahead and, look around. You can before you become a member, you can kind of look at the ingredients, kind of see what's there. You decide to become a member, it's $9.95 a month. And you can also, too, if you don't want to spend the $9.95 a month, just be a retail member. Don't buy the membership. You can pay the retail and then just try out the products. And LiveGood does have a 90-day empty bottle guarantee on all their products. So just know that if you don't like the products, you can return it and get a refund. So to me, that's a win-win situation, and it's a no-brainer to me to pay the $9.95 a month, get the wholesale pricing. If you don't like it, for some reason, send it back, get your refund, cancel your membership. You're not really going to lose anything. But if you truly give it an opportunity and you take the products and you understand what you're putting in your body and you understand what you have compared to what else is on the market, I really doubt you're going to send anything back unless you get a bad batch for some reason. I think you're going to really be pleasantly surprised because I joined LiveGood for the products. I saw that they were organic, clean products, and I was like, well, let me give it a try. I thought they were going to be crap. Just products with a white label products with a sticker, for LiveGood put on them, and they weren't really going to be worth it, and I was going to end up canceling. But I was pleasantly surprised, and then I started building the business. With that being said, if you're a business builder, one of the links below, that will allow you to take the free tour in LiveGood. If you want to build a business, it's $40 one time. To be an affiliate, and that'll give you the opportunity to promote like I'm promoting. That if somebody becomes if somebody becomes a wholesale member, they're going to go ahead, I'm going to get a portion of that monthly, and then also to anybody becomes affiliate, then you're going to get paid, and there's different ways to get paid. I'm not going to get into it on this video. So again, if you just want retail or wholesale, click on the link. It'll be the first link. And if you want to be part of the business, you want to take the free tour, click on the second link, take the free tour. If you upgrade, I'll know. I'll reach out to you and I'll get you plugged into our private team site, which has training to help you succeed in your business. So with that being said, Howie Perks here. I really appreciate you watching the video. Please like the video, comment, ask me any questions. I usually respond very quickly, and looking forward to talking to you soon.